Our journey begins not with a whisper, but with a roar, deep within the Earth's fiery heart. This is a planet alive, constantly reshaping itself, a dynamic canvas painted with the most astonishing extremes. We stand at the very edge of creation and destruction, where liquid rock pulses from the planet's core, forging new land in a spectacle of raw power. Imagine the Hawaiian Islands, born from a colossal shield volcano, Kilauea, a titan of slow, steady eruption. Here, rivers of incandescent lava, shimmering with an almost alien beauty, creep across the landscape, engulfing everything in their path yet simultaneously creating the very ground beneath our feet. This molten earth cools, solidifies, and in time, becomes fertile soil, a testament to Earth's ceaseless cycle of death and rebirth. Even in this inferno, life finds a way, pioneer plants taking root in the newest, most barren volcanic rock, a defiant green against the black. From the relatively gentle flow of Hawaii, we plunge into a more menacing volcanic realm, the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, a place so inhospitable it feels like another planet. Here, the Earth's crust is stretched thin, revealing a landscape scarred by sulfurous hot springs, acid pools, and salt flats that shimmer with an unearthly glow. The air itself is thick with choking fumes, and temperatures regularly soar past 50 degrees Celsius. Yet, even here, in this seemingly barren and toxic wasteland, life persists. Extremophile microorganisms thrive in the multicolored acidic ponds, painting the landscape with their vibrant hues, a hidden world of microscopic resilience pushing the boundaries of what we understand about survival. They are a living testament to life's incredible adaptability, flourishing where nothing else can. As we leave the volcanic fires, we find ourselves swallowed by the searing embrace of Earth's hottest deserts. The Furnace of Death Valley in California holds the record for the highest air temperature ever recorded, a brutal 56.7 degrees Celsius. The sun beats down with an unrelenting ferocity, baking the salt flats into a cracked, shimmering expanse. Mirage after mirage dances on the horizon, teasing with the illusion of water. Yet, even in this crucible, life endures. The creosote bush, a resilient shrub, dots the landscape, its waxy leaves minimizing water loss. Kangaroo rats survive without ever drinking, extracting all their moisture from seeds. The desert pupfish, a tiny relic from a wetter past, clings to existence in isolated springs, a vibrant splash of life in an otherwise parched world. Each creature, each plant, has engineered a unique strategy to conquer the impossible heat and drought. Across continents, the Sahara stretches, an ocean of sand and rock, the largest hot desert on Earth. Its vastness is humbling, its silence profound. Towering dunes, sculpted by the wind, shift and change like living things, their crests sharp against the endless blue sky. The Sahara is not merely barren, it is alive with a subtle, intricate ecosystem. Date palms cluster around precious oases, offering shade and sustenance. Fennec foxes, with their oversized ears, radiate excess heat, perfectly adapted to the desert night. Scorpions scuttle under rocks, waiting for the brief, life-giving rain. The Sahara reminds us that even emptiness can hold a wealth of specialized life, each species a master of scarcity, finding ways to thrive in the face of constant challenge. From the parched furnace of the deserts, we journey to the driest place on Earth, a landscape so devoid of moisture it almost defies comprehension, the Atacama Desert in Chile. Some parts of the Atacama have seen no significant rainfall for hundreds of years. This ancient desert, nestled between the Andes Mountains and the Pacific Ocean, is a land of otherworldly beauty, its vast salt flats and barren plains resembling a Martian landscape. Scientists even use it as a testing ground for Mars rovers. Yet, even here, life clings on with astonishing tenacity. Specialized microbes live beneath the surface, sustained by atmospheric moisture or unique chemical processes. Along the coast, where the cold Humboldt Current brings in dense fogs, life explodes in what are known as fog oases, or lomas. Here, plants and insects derive all their water from the mist, creating pockets of vibrant green in an otherwise desolate expanse. It is a stark illustration of life's desperate, ingenious quest for water. Now, we swing to the opposite extreme of temperature, venturing into the frozen heart of our planet, Antarctica, the coldest, highest, driest continent. It is a land of unimaginable scale, covered by an ice sheet miles thick, holding 90% of the world's fresh water. Here, blizzards can rage for days, and the wind chill can freeze exposed skin in moments. Yet, this icy wilderness teems with life adapted to the brutal cold. Emperor penguins huddle together against the blizzards, their thick blubber and specialized feathers insulating them from the elements. Weddell seals bask on the ice floes, their streamlined bodies perfectly suited for hunting in the frigid waters below. Microscopic life thrives within the ice itself, a hidden biome of resilience. Our journey into the cold takes us even deeper, to Vostok Station, a remote Russian research outpost in East Antarctica, home to the lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth, a mind-numbing -89.2 degrees Celsius. The air here is so dry, so thin, and so cold, it can literally freeze your breath mid-air. Beneath the vast Vostok ice sheet lies a liquid lake, Lake Vostok, sealed off from the atmosphere for millions of years. This subglacial lake is a time capsule, a pristine environment where scientists hope to discover unique, ancient life forms that have evolved in complete isolation, a testament to life's ability to find purchase even in the most extreme, lightless, and frigid conditions imaginable. From the absolute bottom of the temperature scale, we ascend to the dizzying heights of Earth's highest peaks. Mount Everest, the roof of the world, pierces the sky at over 8,848 meters. Here, the air thins to a mere third of its sea level density, creating the infamous death zone, where human life can only be sustained for a few hours without supplemental oxygen. The cold is extreme, the winds ferocious, and the terrain unforgiving. Yet, even at these crushing altitudes, life finds a footing. Hardy lichens cling to exposed rock faces. The Himalayan jumping spider lives higher than any other known animal, surviving on tiny insects blown up by the wind. High-altitude birds like the bar-headed goose migrate over the highest peaks, their specialized physiology allowing them to breathe in the thin air. Yaks, with their thick coats and large lungs, graze in the high mountain meadows, an essential part of the high-altitude ecosystem. Everest is not just a barren rock, it is a monument to life's persistent climb. Our journey now plummets from the highest peaks to the deepest abysses of our oceans, a realm of crushing pressure and eternal darkness. The Mariana Trench, in the western Pacific Ocean, is the deepest part of the world's oceans, plunging almost 11,000 meters below the surface. If Mount Everest were placed in the Challenger Deep, its summit would still be over a mile beneath the waves. Here, the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level, enough to flatten a steel beam. Yet, astonishingly, life thrives in this hadal zone. Specialized fish, amphipods, and other invertebrates navigate the abyssal plains, their bodies adapted to withstand the immense forces. They are living proof that pressure, far from being an impenetrable barrier, can be merely another evolutionary challenge to overcome. In these deep ocean trenches, a miraculous phenomenon occurs: hydrothermal vents. These geysers on the seafloor spew superheated, mineral-rich water from cracks in the Earth's crust. Far from sunlight, these vents support vibrant ecosystems entirely independent of the sun's energy. Here, life is fueled by chemosynthesis, bacteria converting chemicals from the vents into energy, forming the base of a complex food web. Giant tube worms, blind shrimp, and bizarre deep-sea fish gather around these oases of heat and chemicals, a testament to life's ingenious ability to harness any available energy source, no matter how unconventional. And in the vast, lightless expanse of the deep ocean, another marvel illuminates the darkness: bioluminescence. Creatures generate their own light, a stunning array of flashes, glows, and shimmering patterns. From tiny plankton to colossal squid, organisms use bioluminescence for hunting, mating, defense, and communication, transforming the black abyss into a cosmic dance of light. It is a silent, breathtaking ballet, revealing a hidden world of unimaginable beauty and complexity, where light is not a gift from above, but a creation from within. As we ascend from the depths, we encounter the raw, unpredictable power of Earth's wild weather, a testament to the dynamic forces shaping our planet. Hurricanes and typhoons, colossal swirling storms born over warm ocean waters, unleash winds of unimaginable force and torrential rains, reshaping coastlines and testing the resilience of both natural and human structures. While destructive, these storms also play a role in Earth's climate system, distributing heat and moisture. Then there are tornadoes, nature's most violent storms, brief but intensely destructive funnels of rotating air that carve paths of devastation across landscapes, a terrifying display of concentrated energy. Across arid lands, sandstorms darken the skies, vast walls of dust and grit propelled by powerful winds, capable of swallowing entire cities and transforming landscapes in mere hours. These atmospheric phenomena remind us of Earth's constant churn, its endless cycles of creation and destruction, a planet that is never truly still. But amidst the chaos, there is also celestial beauty. In the polar regions, the night sky erupts in a breathtaking display of auroras, the northern and southern lights. Shimmering curtains of green, pink, and purple dance across the heavens, a luminous manifestation of solar particles interacting with Earth's magnetic field. It is a reminder that our planet is not isolated but is intricately connected to the wider cosmos, a living, breathing entity responding to forces both internal and external. From the dynamism of weather, we plunge into the heart of Earth's wettest places, the colossal rainforests. The Amazon, a vast green lung of the planet, receives staggering amounts of rainfall, creating an environment of unparalleled biodiversity. Here, life thrives in every imaginable form, from towering trees forming a multi-layered canopy to countless species of insects, birds, and mammals. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and verdant growth, alive with the chorus of unseen creatures. Every drop of rain fuels a magnificent engine of life, a constant cycle of growth, decay, and renewal. It is a vibrant, teeming world, where the sheer abundance of life is almost overwhelming, a testament to the power of water to sustain and proliferate. The power of water is further magnified in giant waterfalls, places where rivers plunge over massive cliffs in spectacular displays of raw energy. Imagine the thunderous roar of Iguazu Falls on the border of Brazil and Argentina, a colossal horseshoe of cascades spanning nearly 3 kilometers, sending up mists that create permanent rainbows. Or Victoria Falls, Mosi Oe Tunya, the smoke that thunders, where the Zambezi River plummets into a chasm, its spray visible for miles. These waterfalls are not just natural wonders, they sculpt the landscape, create unique microclimates, and support specialized ecosystems in their permanent mists and spray zones, a continuous dance between geological force and biological adaptation. As our journey nears its end, we turn our gaze to the monumental sculptures of ice that grace our planet. Glaciers, vast rivers of slow-moving ice, carve valleys, scour mountains, and shape entire continents. In places like Greenland, these colossal ice sheets stretch to the horizon, ancient ice glowing with an ethereal blue, holding secrets of Earth's past climate. They are powerful, majestic, yet also increasingly vulnerable to our changing climate, their retreat a stark reminder of the delicate balance that governs our world. Then there are the vast, shimmering salt flats, like Sala de Uyuni in Bolivia. After a rain, the surface transforms into the world's largest natural mirror, reflecting the sky in an impossibly perfect illusion, blurring the line between earth and heaven. These seemingly barren expanses are home to unique mineral formations and specialized microbial life, and they serve as vital breeding grounds for flamingos, their vibrant pink plumage a stark contrast to the stark white landscape, a splash of life against the vast, reflective canvas. Finally, we venture into the ephemeral beauty of ice caves, transient wonders carved by meltwater within glaciers. Here, light filters through layers of ancient ice, creating a breathtaking world of luminous blues, greens, and whites. These temporary cathedrals of ice, constantly forming and reforming, are a reminder of the fluid, ever-changing nature of our planet, even in its most solid forms. They are a fleeting glimpse into the heart of frozen beauty, a place where time slows, and the sheer artistry of natural processes is laid bare. Our journey through Earth's extremes has taken us from the fiery heart of volcanoes to the crushing depths of the ocean, from the searing deserts to the frozen poles, from the highest peaks to the wettest rainforests. At every turn, against every impossible odd, life has not just survived, but has found ingenious ways to thrive. It has adapted, evolved, and clung on with a tenacity that inspires awe and wonder. Our planet is a testament to resilience, a vibrant tapestry woven from the most challenging conditions imaginable. Yet, this extraordinary home, a planet of such staggering extremes, is also profoundly fragile. The delicate balance that allows life to flourish in these incredible environments is increasingly threatened by human impact. The retreating glaciers, the changing weather patterns, the subtle shifts in ecosystems hundreds of meters below the waves, all whisper a warning. This blue marble, hurtling through space, is not just a collection of landscapes, it is a single, interconnected system, a miraculous haven for life in a vast, empty cosmos. It is the only home we have, a place of breathtaking beauty and relentless power, a constant reminder of the preciousness of existence and our profound responsibility to protect it.